Hello everyone, this is Hanan. Welcome to Amazon Affiliate and SEO Complete course. In the previous lecture, number 8, we have looked at how to earn money from blogging, different ways and methods to earn. Viewers, in this lecture number 9, we're going to have a look at the niche. Specifically in niche, user search intent is very much important in this niche. We must need to know what intent our user is on. So if we don't know what the intent of our user or customer, so we will not be able to deliver as per the expectations of our customer or user. So intent is very much important. Selection of niche, let's move towards this. I already mentioned about profitability. Profitability is very much important in selection of niche, and secondly, difficulty. So we will have a look at these two, profitability and don't mind my spellings. So difficulty, and in the profitability specifically we see how much we will earn from this niche total, and how much we need to spend on this niche. So if we know these two things, we're gonna have our net profit. So from this is the method, but how to know how much we'll earn and how to know how much we need to spend, don't worry, we're gonna have a look at this in upcoming lectures. So next, difficulty. How difficult is this? How difficult this niche is to rank? Basically, that's we need to learn. But how to know how difficult is this niche? Viewers, there are different factors. So let's talk about first profitability. In profitability, we see search volume and Google trend, and the third is, I already mentioned, user intent. These three factors involved in the profitability, and how we need to know these factors, how we need to check these factors, we can have a look in upcoming lectures. Whereas in difficulty, we will see the first factor is keyword difficulty, and from now on I will call keyword difficulty to KD. So KD, website age, how to check the website age and which website's age we need to check, I will explain. Domain authority, we will discuss this factor as well in detail. I will call from now on to DA, to domain authority. And next is backlinks. So what are these backlinks, how we need to check? Don't worry if you don't know anything, we're gonna have a look at this all factors one by one in detail. And referring domains, what are these? I will call these RD. Okay, what are these referring domains, how to check, what is meant by this referring domains? We're gonna have a look at this, all these factors in details in upcoming lecture. So there is no need to get worried about it if you are a newbie and don't know anything. Feel free to ask any question if you have in the comment section. That's all from today. I hope you will like this video. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.